Hey everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. Well, today I'm not gonna teach you anything, but I'll tell you the importance of engineering, right? So recently, what happened was that my MacBook charger it got burned out, and I'll show you what happened. Where is it? Yeah. So these are called the magnetic ports of the charger. So the MacBook charger it has magnetic ports, and these two pins, if you could see, these two pins they got burned out or they got short circuited, right? So instead of going outside, I decided to repair it myself, and let's see how we are gonna do it. So I've done some of the things before recording this. So basically, this is the adapter, and it's a very hectic job to open this because it's totally it is a great strong joint between these two parts. So I've opened it half, and you can see the circuit inside, right? But we are not gonna do anything with the circuit. So these two are the wires from which this the port is getting connected. So I have ordered a new wire. So this is a new MagSafe port. So this is new, right? So we are going to connect this to this, and then we are going to check whether it works or not. So for that, we are doing the soldering. So a quick introduction about the solders. Let's try to learn something. So this is called a soldering wire. So basically, it is used in electrical circuits, right? So this is a solder. It is basically an alloy, and it has a very low melting point, and mostly the ones which we are using in electrical circuits they are lead and tin based, right? So around at 200 degrees Celsius it melts, and it is a conductor basically. So it is used for high precision, joining two ends with the high precision. So we are going to solder this with this, and for this what we will do is, this is called a soldering iron. So this is a soldering iron, and let's do it. I'll connect it, and it gets very hot, so don't you try this at home. Yeah, now it is working, right? Correct. So let's do it. You have to be very careful when you are doing all of this, because it might melt, and it can hurt you. So do it in precision of someone. I have done it before, so that's why I'm able to do it right now. So you have to first check whether the temperature has reached the optimum level or not. Just a minute. So basically I got it soldered now. You can see that this is now soldered, and we have put all of these, and now we are going to check whether this is working or not, right? So I put this charger here, and let me see if it is working. Yeah, it's working, right? So you can see that this is now showing me a red light, which is that it is charging, right? So a little bit of curiosity about repairing things, about learning about things is what engineering tells you, right? You might not be a great scientist after studying engineering, but then again, you get these small things. You could do it yourself, and you could save yourself a lot of bucks of money, right? And it also gives you that capacity to solve problems. Always, you always have a jugaad for something, right? So that's why engineering is important, and I think it prepares you for life in coming years. So concentrate on JEE mains, which is coming in January, and all the best for all of you. Thank you so much. Have a very great day. Bye bye.